start again from chase the sun. And we're going to come to the left into giant on the left, and then giant on the right, and then overhand on the left, double stall between the legs, giants on the right, overhand, swivel to the left, underhand, swivel to the right, overhand, swivel to the left, underhand. Now swivel back and forth, and 2 more times, and then we'll chase the sun, up to pinwheel. Lift the right leg, tap the right poi on the right leg on the bottom into overhand butterfly. Left, turn around 360, then the extra 90-degree turn into the swivel. 2 and 3 and 4, 2 more, and 5 and 6. Now into overhand butterfly on the front, right turn around 360, plus the extra 90 degrees into that swivel. 5 more. 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1, into overhand, thread the needle on the front, plane shifted up again. This time we're going to tap the left poi on the butt, clockwise corkscrew, coming around to the right. Now turn your body to the left while you stay in the clockwise corkscrew. We're going to plane shift it up to pinwheel, come down into overhand weave on the right, left turn around 360, right turn around 360, left turn around 360, right turn around 360, overhand on the right. Now we're going to do that chasing the sun switchback. So it's a sweep, step, chase the sun away from me, step back, chase the sun facing me, step, chase the sun away from me, and step back, chase the sun facing me, step, chase the sun away from me, and step, chase the sun facing me. Then we're going to step and chase the sun away from me. Step back, chase the sun facing me. Step, chase the sun away from me. 2 more times, facing me here. And now step, chase the sun away from me. Okay, we're here. And chase the sun. Sweep back, step, and chase the sun away from me. Yes. Okay, good, nice. And chase the sun facing me. Step, chase the sun away from me. And step back, chase the sun facing me. And step and chase the sun away from me. And step back, chase the sun facing me. And just chasing the sun clockwise up to pinwheel again. And right turn to overhand weave. Right turn 360. Left turn 360. Right turn 360, giant, swivel, and overhand weave on the right, double stall between the legs, sweep up over the top, giant on the left, overhand weave, left turn 360, right turn 360, open it up. Okay, so chasing this on counterclockwise here, then you sweep back, come out underhand here. Then you come over the top away from me in clockwise. Then, so step back. So you step forward and chase the sun away from me. Step back, chase the sun toward me. You're going to pivot to the right and chase the sun away from me. And pivot back to the left, chase the sun facing me. And pivot to the right, chase the sun away from me. And pivot back, chase the sun facing me, up to pinwheel, turn left to giant, turn right to underhand, swivel, sweep back, up over the top, sweep back, up over the top, 3rd time, and 4th time we're going to sweep up over the top into buzzsaw, back to the one we did before. Let's see what happens this time. Plane shifted down, go into that inside corkscrew, turn with it to the left, turn with it to the left, and open it up, and come back together, and we're going to plane shift it up into the pinwheel, release so that it's big, overhand weave on the left, right turn 360, left turn 360, and open it up, Stall your left poi between the legs. Overhand butterfly on the right. We're going to turn and tap, squat and stall back to butterfly. Then left, turn and tap, squat and stall back to butterfly to the right. Turn and tap, squat and stall back to butterfly to the left. Turn and tap, squat and stall back to butterfly. Thread the needle. Then we're going to turn right 90 degrees and just into the 2-petal flower. 4 times. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Come into the butterfly. Left turn 90, 2-petal flower. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And right turn into the 2-petal flower. Swivel now. And again. And 4 more times. 3 more times. 2 more times. And last one. Into the overhand butterfly.